Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley on iPhone. First, you'll need to download the game directly from the Apple App Store. Make sure your iPhone has enough free storage space, as the game requires around 300 megabytes. Also, confirm your device runs iOS 10.0 or a newer version for optimal performance. Once downloaded, you're ready to embark on your farming adventure. Navigating Stardew Valley on your iPhone is intuitive with touch controls. You can simply tap on the screen to move your character around the farm and interact with items or people. For more precise movements, a virtual joystick is available. Your inventory, journal, and game settings are easily accessible through the menu icon located in the top right corner of your screen, keeping everything at your fingertips. The heart of Stardew Valley is farming, and it's just as engaging on mobile. Start by clearing your land and planting your first seeds. Remember to water your crops every single day to help them grow and eventually harvest. Beyond farming, you can spend your days fishing in the rivers, mining for valuable ores in the caves, or foraging for wild edibles, all contributing to your farm's success. To enhance your mobile Stardew Valley experience, here are a few tips. Always remember to save your game by having your character go to bed at the end of each day. This prevents losing progress. Try to design your farm layout with touch controls in mind, making paths and crop arrangements easy to navigate. For even greater precision, especially when placing items, a stylus can be a helpful accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.